Okay, let's take a look a little bit at the code. Now we see we're going to have to load a lot of packages here. So you'll need to do that. I'll use Scuba. So we'll use ggplot2. We'll be using that, which is for graphics. Now he wants us to use a library called Grid, which I don't see in here. So let's see, we might have to look something up for that. And we'll need lattice extra because you'll recall that we used that before for horizon plots. And we'll use a package called this one, string R, which is for character manipulation. So we're going to need to do some working with text, so we need to work with some characters. And something called word cloud. I'm not quite sure what that's going to be used for. And also one called cluster, which will be used for cluster analysis. So the one I couldn't find was grid. But I just checked that here. I just installed everything else, and then I just typed in library grid. I guess that's already in my, or it's already included in R. So maybe that's why I couldn't find it in the list of external packages. So now I just want to load all of these packages. Now there's here's the taglines data. Now I was wrong. I thought they were in separate files, but they're not. I thought I remembered seeing a bunch of separate files, but that must be for chapter 8. What's this one? I didn't check this yet. Okay, there's some functions. So anyway, when we open up this one here, we see this. So these are the this is the taglines, right? So this is the name of the movie, I guess. Pretty on the outside, ugly, crying on the inside. $25 million hoax, 2004. Her family thinks she's won the lottery. What a lie. Okay, so this is a pretty big file because it's, if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, yeah, it's huge. Wow. It's wow. It's huge. It's nearly 500,000 elements in there. Okay, so we have that file. And if we right-click on it and check properties, we can see it's actually 10 megabytes. That's pretty big for just a text file. It's huge for a text file. Okay, now going and continuing to look at the code, I've dropped all the way down to line 265 here. Now, most of what was done before was just entering the data, and there's some data processing of the data as well. Next thing is plot the frequency of movies by year. So we saw that chart, and this is apparently where it's going to come from. That was this chart here. Now I'm having a problem changing my working directory, and I'm not sure why. I'm trying to have it. I created a folder called Chapter 7. Now I could do it something else, but just want to let you know that that might be because I didn't start R as the administrator. I'm not sure why actually, but I'll just do a workaround here by putting all the folders, all the stuff that I need in the current directory, which is just my documents folder. So I'll just do that for now, because I don't want to have to reload all those packages again.